Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, let me thank you all for being here today. I'm delighted that so many of you could make it. Let me introduce myself. My name is Insan Nur Kamilia, but you can call me Ines. And today I will be presenting about my thesis outline. As you can see on the screen, the topic of my presentation is the relationship between music listening habits and academic stress level among university students at Universitas Baudin Muthari Madura or Baudin Muthari Madura University. This topic is particularly relevant to us as a student and because we all deal with academic pressure and often turn to listen music to cope with it. To begin with, let me explain the background of my study. Many university students face academic stress due to assignment, deadlines, and exam. In order to cope with that stress, many of them choose to listen to music. Moving on, let me share why this study is important. First, it is essential to evaluate how effective music is a coping strategy for academic stress. Second, the result of this study could be helpful not only for students but also for educational institutions to create better mental health support programs. And by understanding the role of music, we may be able to develop better ways to manage stress. Now I will explain some of the main arguments that support my research. First, based on research by Avila and College in 2025 said that 77.3% of students experience academic stress. A study by Karisma and Rusida in 2024 found that listening to music help improve motivation during stressful study session. And lastly, a research by Takia and College in 2024 show that music can significantly influence a student's learning mood with a percentage 50 53.9%. Let us continue by looking at the research gaps. Although there are studies on music and mood, very few have focused on the relationship between music and academic stress. In addition, previous studies have not measured how often and how long students listen to music. And finally, there is still little analysis on how different music genres may affect stress level. Next, let me explain what makes this study different. My my research focused specifically on undergraduate students at one university, so the data is more specific. I also include control variables like gender, semester, and study habits, which can influence the result. Furthermore, I will observe how students use music in real academic situations. And now let me share the research question I will explore. First, is there any significant relationship between music intensity and academic stress? Second, what type of music genre is commonly used for reduce stress? And third, do students who frequently listen to music experience lower academic stress compared to those who don't? And the objective of this research are closely related to the question I will mention earlier. I am to I aim to analyze the connection between music listening habits and academic stress to identify which genre is most effective and to compare stress level between students with different music habits. And lastly, let me highlight the benefits of this study. From theoretically from theoretically benefits, it can contribute to education psychology, especially to manage stress. And from practically benefit, it can help students find better ways to reduce stress using music. And from policy perspective, the findings can help universities provide better mental health strategies for students. And in conclusion, my research seeks to understand whether music listening habits can reduce academic stress among students. Through this study, I hope to provide useful data that support uh, both student but also for educational institutions. Thank you for thank you very much for your attention. If you have any question, you can put your question in comment box below, and I will be happy to answer your question. See you.